Hey, what's up YouTube? Brian Fagioli here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SteelSeries Apex M500 Mechanical Pro Gaming Keyboard. This is a new keyboard from SteelSeries. It's aimed at gamers, of course. However, even if you're just a typist, a writer, a mechanical keyboard is a great option. So let's go ahead and look at the box. So the front, we see a picture of the keyboard. It says MX Technology. Let's see, it has MX Cherry switches. Individual blue LED illumination, so each key gets its own blue LED. That's cool, rather than just some backlit lights underneath. Each key has an individual light. That's really, really cool. Let's see. List here compatibility with both Windows and Mac. This will work with Linux, of course, so if you use something like Ubuntu or Fedora, it's a USB keyboard. It's going to work, don't worry. Let's take a look at the back. There is the back of the box. So let's see. Cherry MX switches maintain the precise feel for over 50 million clicks. That's very cool. What else do we have here? Have confidence. Move that over. Get that on the screen. Okay. Have confidence in every key press, powered by full anti-ghosting with N-key rollover. Awesome. And SteelSeries Engine 3 gives you the power to remap every key and swap an unlimited number of profiles and settings. So that's really cool. So if you're a gamer and you want to set up very specific key commands about, let's say, an MMO that you're playing or something, you can reprogram every single key. Now, that software obviously is going to be Windows and likely OS X only, so that aspect I don't think will work with Linux. But let's get back to the unboxing and get this box opened. So, let's see. We can see at the top here, there's some tape. So I'm going to use my trusty knife to cut off the tape, without cutting myself, of course. 1 piece of tape, 2 pieces of tape, and 3 pieces of tape. Okay, next, we're going to open her up. So let's see. Ooh, okay. Inside the box, we see the actual keyboard. Let me pull that out for a moment and see what else is inside the box. Okay. We have the SteelSeries Apex M500 Quick Start Guide. Look there. Oh, cool. Okay. If I can get opened. Okay. Is that a sticker? Nice. So we have a SteelSeries sticker, and this is actually behind us is a new build that I'm doing with an AMD A10 7890K processor, an APU. This sticker looks like it would look really good on my black and white case, don't you think? Awesome. The Quick Start Guide shows you setup, plug into USB port. That's really ingenious. Go to steelseries.com/engine to get the software that you need. And again, when I say need, you don't really need it, but if you want to do like the remapping and things, there's some specialized software there. And it shows cable management. You can route the cable up the middle, the right, or the left, depending on your situation, where your computer is. And then there's some URLs there. Okay, what else is in the box? Nothing. That is it, blackness. So we have the keyboard itself, the Quick Start Guide, and a cool set of stickers. Awesome. So we're going to put the stickers in the Quick Start Guide to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off the keyboard. Nice. Whoa, nice keyboard. Very nice keyboard. Okay. So let's take a look. So are there feet on the back? There are. I like a little, if you see here, feet. I like to have a little elevation. And let's see. In my situation, I'd probably just put the cable right towards the center. So I'm going to push that in. Oh, nice. Really nice rubber feet here, too, on the front. That should prevent skidding. Okay. Put the keyboard down. Oh. Pull the legs out. All right, there we go. So let's look at the keys. So we have a single Windows key here. There is a SteelSeries logo key. I'm not sure what that does. That may be involved in doing some of the customizations. Maybe you do something like hold it down to remap keys. That'd be very cool. As you can see, there's backlighting on every key. You can see the translucency on each letter. The space bar even has a line on it for the LED. The enter key is not the type that kind of connects these two buttons. It's straightforward, and that's pretty standard nowadays. I like that rather than saying shift, it has the up, the up arrow. That looks cool. The keys feel really great, and I think the keyboard looks very good. We have the number pad on the right, of course. It's a very traditional keyboard, and I like that. I don't like keyboards that kind of deviate from the standard keyboard design, because you can kind of find yourself relying on some things. When there's funky designs or specialized keys on the side, if you learn to depend on those, what happens if you don't have that keyboard again in the future? Now your muscle memory is all screwed up. Stick to the basics, stick to the traditional layout of keyboard. This is really nice. We have all the F keys at the top. Awesome. And you can see there is audio buttons also mapped on those F keys. Very, very nice. Just a great, great keyboard. It's kind of a no frills keyboard. I mean, it does have the mapping, it does have the LEDs on the keys, but I mean, it doesn't look ridiculous. This is just a very classy keyboard, classy mechanical keyboard that should be great for both gaming and for typing. I do both of those things. I do PC gaming and I write, so this keyboard should be absolutely perfect. Keys feel wonderful. What a great keyboard. I believe this is going to be under $99 too. So I think it's like under 100, I should say, rather, like $99.99. The USB plug, let's see, the USB plug is Type A, of course, and it is gold plated. It's a really nice thick cable, and SteelSeries has these nice Velcro wraps on there rather than just cheesy twist ties, and that's a nice touch. It's actually branded with SteelSeries. It feels very good. So there you have it, folks. This is the SteelSeries, and let me go ahead and grab the box here. This is the SteelSeries Apex M500, which is a mechanical pro gaming keyboard, and it is for Windows and Mac. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much, and have a great day.